Wait, did you know this? Why are all tires in the world black? If tires weren't black, they would wear down like an eraser before you even got to the grocery store, leaving just the rims. I'll quickly share 3 shocking secrets hidden in black tires that we've all taken for granted. Secret number 1. Actually, tires used to be white. When Ford cars first came out 100 years ago, they used white tires, the natural color of rubber. But they were too weak and tore easily. So they discovered a black powder called carbon black, but back then it was super expensive. So manufacturers used a trick. They used the expensive black rubber only on the tread touching the ground, and cheap white rubber on the sidewalls. This is the birth story of the white wall tires seen on classic cars. Ironically, what started as a symbol of poverty later became a symbol of style. Secret number 2. The real power of carbon black. It doesn't just make them black. The moment you mix this black powder, tires become as tough as steel, increasing strength by 10 times. It prevents them from melting in the asphalt's heat. Even more surprising is static electricity. Cars build up huge amounts of static while driving, but rubber doesn't conduct electricity, right? That's why the conductive carbon black acts like a lightning rod, grounding the static electricity into the road. If tires weren't black, you might get shocked every single time you opened your car door. Secret number 3. So why are there no red or blue tires? Technically, we can make them. Some tuning cars or manufacturers in China do use colored tires. But there is a fatal problem. It's UV rays. The carbon black that makes tires black acts as a perfect sunscreen. The black color absorbs sunlight and stops the rubber from cracking. On the other hand, colored tires can't block UV rays and rot quickly. Plus, road dust and grease make them look ugly very fast. In the end, black is the only color that is durable and easy to maintain. So, tires are black not for design, but for scientific reasons to keep us driving safely. Even if flying cars appear in the future, their wheels will likely still be black. Why not look at your tires today and thank them for their hard work?